what is your opinion on women reservation bill which is produced in Parliament?
Women is the most respectable factor in India, because we know what is the duty of a woman is. Woman is the first guru of the family. Woman is the mother. Woman is the deity. Woman is the first teacher of the child. Therefore, woman knows how to rule the family. She will also know how to rule the country also. What are the needs of the requirements of the women folk, because 50%, more than 50% represents women are representing. Therefore, woman has got every right. As a matter of fact, we say Lakshmi Narayana. Lakshmi is number one, next Narayana, Sita Rama antam. Even now we say Srimati and Sri antam. So we give first preference to the mother. Mother like thing, there cannot be anything in the world. Mother is mother. Mother, how much she takes care of her child. When the child does ugly or all kinds of these things, unconditional love. That unconditional love nobody gives. And mother knows what to do, what not to do, which is beneficial, which is not beneficial. Therefore, we have recognized women as our half partner. And we have recognized women's right. N.T. Ramarao recognized, thereafter whole of India recognized the right to property of the woman. Then why then women has got a vote of right also. Then women nowadays doing everything. They are pilots, they are military, they are navy, every field their women are there. Professor.
Then why are you asking for OBC reservation in women? Women are women, right?
No, the OBC, SCs, STs also, they belong to the party SC, party ST, not community SC, not community leader. He is only just follower of his high command. He cannot independently propose anything in the parliament. Likewise, the general class also, general class now, because of compulsion SC, ST, they have got a representation, political representation. That means they can never have any representation in the parliament, in the legislative assemblies. Therefore, to have the representation, to have the reservations for the women, at least to represent their equal to their population, women reservation is a must in India. But why should we have reservations for the one-third reservations? Whose sake we are reserving? Only for your better offs, not for the BCs. Don't give any reservations. That means we are providing 33% reservations for the women. That means exclusively it is for just like a 10% EWS. 10% EWS, economically weaker sections, you have given 10%. Why you have excluded SC, ST and OBC? Though they are very poor and they are entitled in all respects. Why? And nowadays, what is the cut-off mark now? Cut-off mark is much lower than the BCs for the EWS. EWS are not even 5% EWS, you are giving 10%. Here 50% OBC, the women folk, you are not giving anything.
Therefore, how can you get it? What is your plan of action?
Only by political, unless parliament, now there are political parties, they are accepting our demand. If they come to the power, definitely they are going to give. Therefore, let us vote for them. We have given call to the Delhi also. We have given interview for somewhere else also. So we have to recognize who is our friendly party, who is taking care of our welfare, who is not taking care of our welfare. Therefore, now this government, who are saying BJP headed by the backward classes, backward class, Modi Ganchi is added only 2001. It's not Mandal not added. Mandal not added. And what he did? He did not do anything. He did not do anything. He has not published the caste census, and there is no categorization, and the private sector also has not given. He has given nothing for the backward classes and backward classes women.
But bill has been passed in the parliament. Political parties raised some recommendations, I think.
They have pleaded for the women reservations, but they are
bill passed.
A bill passing.
Then how can you get it again?
No, they will not also get it. Nobody will get another 10 years. Nobody will get another 10 years.
Okay.
2034 only or 29 only. Now they according to them they are not going to give now because delimitation has to come, census act to be completed. Then thereafter only that reservations for even general classes also. So by that time, so everything depends upon the 2024 elections. 2024 if the Congress led parties come to the power, definitely women reservations will be provided.
As a BC Commission National ex-chairman, what is your appeal to the political parties of India for women OBC reservation women bill?
Political parties now there is no point appealing to the BJP.
We are just demanding that.
Or just demand. Now, anyway, these people are, though there are no consensus, some are not agreeing, but major party BJP and the Congress party and some other allies, these RJD, JD and these SP, those people are unitedly demanding that they will definitely do the women reservations if they come to the power. So let us hope for the.
What's your action plan, sir? Are you going to Delhi for the?
No, but I did every recommendation what I did when I was in the post. Just never cared either the Congress government or the BJP government. Independently, I have given all my recommendations. They are there in the Ministry of Social Justice with regard to the providing reservations in the private sector, political reservations, then categorization, publication of the caste census, conducting the caste census. So every recommendation has given.
Some BC organizations are going to do hunger strike on Gandhi Jayanti.
Hunger strike, according to my appeal, my request to the all backward classes are that unless all organizations come together and form a common forum like the RSS, unless this common ideology is developed, common training classes are taken place, common mentality is developed whole of India. Then unless we don't show our strength, crores of the heads in the society, nothing is going to be happen.
Interesting. BCs need a organization like RSS.
RSS definitely. Nothing is going to happen because there is nobody to realize, because human conduct character has been degraded, whether it is general class, backward class, SC, ST. Therefore, that character building based organization should come in. Therefore, constitution has to be taught. Constitution has to be, again, we have to digest and we should implement it. Therefore, unless ideology is developed, these small organizations, one man show, one man army, political parties, several political parties, nothing, not going to achieve anything.
My request, what can you say OBC women's to protest or to do anything?
They
OBC women should come out.
OBC women also should come out, because unfortunately they don't participate in the BC organizations also. They should participate in BC organizations, and they should, this kind of the social media like you, they should also sensitize, ignite and then push to the social medias about their rights, about their awareness, about future benefits. Otherwise, they will be second-class citizens only in India. Like today, take example, Muslims. Muslims are under terror. Nobody opens. And the great Muslim leader indirectly helps the BJP.
Exactly.
And he gives a call not to vote the Congress. And they have been survived, sustained and developed during their period. What kind of that? That means they are under fear and the terror, because they have got black money, they got ill-gotten money, so they are not safe. Therefore, they would like to protect their.
At the same time, he is saying that Jagan government doing well.
That is a different combination. Because that is a different. Let us not go to controversy, but anyway, ultimately, it's a survival of anybody.
For second survival, he is supporting BJP, right? Internally.